Hi everyone, my name is Ruby and I work with Tutoring with a Twist, and I'm here today to bring you a short how-to video on blackout poetry. It can be really fun and simple and anyone can do it. All you really need is a book that you're willing to tear a page out of. You can do something that goes from this to this. And as you can see there, I've done a little heart drawing, an anatomical heart drawing, as my poetry is about hearts. So let's get into the materials. You will need obviously your book that you're willing to tear a page out of, a pencil, some Sharpies, and any markers that you want. Maybe a ruler to help you cut the page out evenly as well. So first things first, you're going to want to find a page that you're willing to rip out of your book. There's no real rhyme or reason why I picked the page that I did. I think I just liked how the text was laid out on the page. Next step is to go through your page and pick out your words that will make your poem. I've seen a lot of people take a lot of time on this part, really working on their poetry, trying to include a lot of alliteration. You can go that route, or you can do kind of what I do, which is just jump in and start squaring off words. So that's what I'm doing right now, is I'm squaring off the words that will make up my poem. Don't forget that your poem will read from top down and from left to right. So if I was going to read the poem that I have right now, it would be Forgotten Function of the Heart. So once you've finished squaring off all of your words on your page, it might be smart to go through and outline them all in some sort of Sharpie. Here's all of my words that I've outlined. I promise I'll go through the poem at the end for you so you can see what I've written. Next step is to really just start drawing. You can draw whatever image you want. It can be related to your poem or not. My poem was sort of about hearts and stuff like that, so I decided to draw an anatomical heart, as I said before. Yeah, I didn't really know where it was going. I kind of just started drawing, and I urge you to do the same. Next, I outlined everything in Sharpie just to make it pop, and then I went around and blacked out all of the white empty space around my drawing. Next, it's really up to you. You can draw and decorate however you want, and eventually you'll come up with a final product. And here's mine. Forgotten Function of the Heart. Color of blue to the blood. Change may be misleading from common to color. So there you have it. Here is my final blackout poetry product. I really hope all of you enjoyed this short how-to video, and I'll see you next time.